A distress call comes in, the alarm sounds, and these firefighters jump into their fire trucks. But wait a minute, the odd-looking cab they've climbed aboard is not really a fire engine, and the blaze they've been called out to extinguish is not authentic either. It's all part of a new training program in which firemen use a prototype firefighter vehicle simulator to battle mock fires. The $800,000 simulator contains a cab section, complete with all the instruments of a regular truck, a 31-foot by 11-foot high screen which enables the firemen to see where the fires are and where they're steering the vehicle, a scale model which represents a typical Air Force Base flight line, complete with downed planes and a runway, and a microprocessor which records all of this information. Basically, it operates on the same principle as flight simulators.
At our own field, they're going to have a board set up for basically each field. And I can get out there on the runway and get a feel of my own runway, whereas I can't now because of inconvenience to the aircraft and the danger it would permit.
A special probe containing 5 small lenses at the bottom picks up images and sends them to a recorder, which in turn projects the images onto the screen. The probe goes wherever the driver steers it. The fire and smoke you see surrounding the model planes is caused by helium, CO2, and theatrical lighting. And those who've worked on the simulator say it's as close to reality as you can get.
They've got the fire there, they've got the agent coming out, they've got the smoke, and even you feel the heat somewhat. They've got the ability to intensify the heat in the cab, which I don't see how they could get any more realistic than what they got.
Cindy Hill, TV7 News.